Hello and welcome back to my channel Continental Desi Kitchen. Today we are going to see a very delicious and interesting egg recipe, and it's creamy garlic eggs, which is super easy and quick to make. So let's get started with this yummy egg recipe, which is best to enjoy with herb rice. And for this recipe I have taken here 4 hard-boiled eggs, and now I will season them with some crushed Himalayan pink salt. You can of course use normal salt as well, and some freshly crushed black pepper. Rub the salt and black pepper well over the eggs. Next, heat a pan and drizzle around a teaspoon of olive oil and a small cube of butter. Let the butter melt completely, and when the pan is hot, we will add the eggs seasoned with salt and pepper. Keep the flame on medium. After a few seconds, we'll flip the eggs and we'll fry them until they turn golden brown from all the sides. And by now the eggs have turned golden brown, so I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. And now in the same pan I will add some minced garlic. I have used here 3 large garlic pods and half of a small onion which has been finely chopped. Saute the garlic and onion well until they turn golden brown. Also, you'll get a nice aroma of onion and garlic fried in butter. And once the onion and garlic has been fried well, we will add now 250 ml of cream. Give this a stir. And now we'll quickly season our creamy garlic sauce with 1/4 teaspoon of salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of mixed herbs, and 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. Now mix this well. And when the sauce slightly thickens, we will add some chopped fresh parsley. And we'll let the sauce simmer for another 1 to 2 minutes. And by now our creamy garlic sauce is ready and has thickened to the desired consistency. So at this stage we'll add the fried boiled eggs which has been sliced into half. This is smoked paprika. We'll be adding a pinch of it on the egg slices. And we'll now let the egg simmer in the creamy garlic sauce for just 1 to 2 minutes. And friends, our creamy garlic eggs are now ready to be enjoyed. And before serving, I will garnish with some more chopped parsley on top. And our yummy and creamy garlic eggs is now good to be enjoyed with herb rice. So friends, do try this delicious egg recipe soon. Also share your feedbacks and subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes. See you soon again. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.